Please take a seat, Michael.
Yes, okay. So what's this about?
Okay, Michael, in a word, it's about you and your career here with Dylan and Dylan. You have been working with us for 2 years, is that correct?
What about it?
To be honest, we're not sure it's working out.
What do you mean? Who's we exactly?
Don't become aggressive, Michael. That won't help things.
I'm not becoming aggressive. I just want to know who exactly I'm dealing with here.
You're dealing with me, Bob, managing partner of Dylan and Dylan, and I am telling you that after consulting with my partners, we have come to the conclusion that you are not perhaps the right fit for Dylan and Dylan.
I'm not the right fit for Dylan and Dylan. Don't make me laugh.
No one is laughing here, Michael. I'm trying to have a serious discussion with you about your future.
Oh, no, you're not. You're trying to work up the nerve to fire me, and let me tell you, you're not making a very good job of it.
Please calm down, Michael. There is no reason to get excited.
Yes, there is. You're trying to fire me. Of course I'm getting excited.
For the moment, I'm just trying to discuss the matter with you.
Yeah, sure you are. What's that letter on your desk? Is it my dismissal letter, already signed?
Why are you being so confrontational, Michael?
Why am I being confrontational? Look, if you have something to say to me, why not just come out and say it? But if this is a dismissal meeting, I warn you that you've gone about it the wrong way.
Really? Why is that?
Because, under my contract, I have a right to have an employee representative present at all meetings of significance concerning the execution of my employment contract. Is this so unimportant to you that you didn't even read my employment contract before beginning this farce?
Please calm down, Michael.
I'm perfectly calm, Bob. You're the one who appears to be a little flustered. Now, coming back to my first question, why don't you tell me what this is about, and let's cut out the song and dance?
Okay, Bob, it's true. We are looking closely at your employment with Dylan and Dylan.
On what grounds?
Well, you don't seem to be fitting in.
You'll have to do better than that, Bob.
Will I, Michael? To the best of my knowledge, you are employed by our firm at will. Consequently, you may be dismissed at any time.
Why is it I'm not fitting in?
We'd prefer not to get into that, Michael.
I'm sure you prefer not to get into it, as you say, Bob, but I want to get into it. Does it have anything to do with my new Rastafarian hairstyle?
As I said, Michael, we'd prefer not to get into that.
Rastafarianism is a religion. Did you know that, Bob? Dylan and Dylan wouldn't be discriminating against me on religious grounds, would it, Bob? You don't need me to tell you that discrimination is against the law. I might just have to bring an action against Dylan and Dylan on grounds of religious discrimination. If you were to fire me, I'm sure the newspapers would love to hear about this.
Now, Michael, let's slow down. Nobody is necessarily talking about firing you. This is above all a discussion about your future with the firm.
Well, it is a discussion that you're going to have by yourself, because I'm not saying another word without my lawyer and employee representative being present. Have a good day, Bob, and I'm sure you know where you can put your dismissal letter.